In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to use assembly function in the PL post. I'll begin with a wall assembly and a slab in the PL gen. Then I'm going to go to run. I'm going to run the model. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to open the model in the PL post. After opening the model in the PL post, I'm going to toggle on supports. Now, the cells are the numbers of each patch or cell. As you can see here, they are numbered from 1 to 8. Then right click to open the assemblies. And then I'm going to click on add to add a new assembly. And then I will enter under assembly cells, I'm going to enter 1, 8. And that would mean that I've selected or considered all the cells from 1 to 8. Then just simply click anywhere to update the assembly manager. The first space is the ID, which is the name of the assembly. Then underneath it is the area, which is the area of the cells that I've selected. The CG can be user-defined if I enable it. The CG differs based on the chosen cells, yet the user can define the CG in the case of the support existing on symmetry, but is not drawn, or if the CG exists outside the drawn geometry. Notice that there are two sets of results that can be shown. Inertia about x, xy, and y, the upward force. Moments about the x and y directions as well. Notice that there are no values for the upward force or the moments, since I need to first enable it in the results manager under the column plot. The second set of results is based on the angle or the user-defined angle. Thus, the results are based on the local inertia, local upward force, and the local moment. And for the user-defined angle, you need to refer back to the angle of the principal axes. Now close the Assemblies manager, and then right-click to open the Results manager. And then under the column plot, I'm going to enable it, and then I'm going to tell it to show total forces. Now this will obviously show me the upward force and the moments as promised in the Assemblies manager. Click close to, and then scroll up and down to refresh. Then reopen the Assemblies manager, and as you'll notice, the upward force has been updated, as well as the moment about the x and y. Now, the Assembly Manager has the same capability as the Results Manager in terms of exporting the results. The same process is used in terms of choosing the load case and then exporting the .tsv file. Assemblies, however, cannot be saved with the file. However, please note that opening another .lc file can cause conflicts, especially if you'll be using assemblies as well. Thus, it is recommended that you restart the PL post before opening the new file. And thus, this concludes our tutorial.